The most dangerous lie you tell yourself is that it's too late to get rich. That single thought is more destructive to your financial future than any market crash. Whether you're 25, 45, or 65, that feeling of being behind can be completely paralyzing. But the wealthy know something you don't. The engine that builds wealth is so powerful it matters less when you start and more that you start. This isn't about risky stock picks. It's about a proven mathematical force you can switch on today. In this video, I'll give you the exact blueprint to finally activate it. And what you're about to learn can change your financial destiny forever. The power of compound interest. Most people underestimate compound interest. They think of it as just a boring financial term, but Buffett calls it the eighth wonder of the world. Here's why. If you invested just $1,000 and it grew at 10% per year, which is the average stock market return, after 30 years, you'd have over $17,000. Now imagine starting with $10,000 or $100,000. Buffett started early and never interrupted the compounding process. He once said, "Someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago." The issue is that most people never plant the tree or they cut it down too soon by cashing out early. The key lesson is to start investing as early as possible and let time work its magic. Avoiding debt. Buffett has one piece of advice for anyone struggling with money: stay out of debt. He particularly hates credit card debt. The reason is that the average credit card interest rate is around 20%. If you're paying 20% interest on your debts, but your investments are only making 10%, you're moving backwards. Buffett put it bluntly, "If I owed money at 18%, the first thing I'd do with any money I had would be to pay it off." So before you think about investing, clear any high-interest debt first. It's the fastest way to free up cash and build wealth. Investing in what you understand. Ever wonder why Buffett never invested in Bitcoin, NFTs, or meme stocks? It's simple. He doesn't understand them. His rule is never invest in a business you cannot understand. Buffett only buys companies with solid fundamentals, companies that have been around for decades and are built to last. That's why he invests in businesses like Coca-Cola, Apple, and American Express, companies that make real money, have strong brands, and will likely be around 50 years from now. So before you invest anything, ask yourself, do I truly understand how this business makes money? If not, stay away. This brings us smoothly to the next tip. Look for businesses with a strong moat. Warren Buffett doesn't just look for good companies. He looks for impenetrable castles protected by a wide, unbreachable moat. This economic moat is a company's durable competitive advantage, the special edge that keeps competitors away and protects long-term profits. Think of things like an incredibly powerful brand name like Coca-Cola, secret patents, or having the lowest production costs in an industry. These moats ensure a company's survival and success for decades. Before you invest, don't just ask if a company is profitable today. Ask, what is protecting this business from an army of competitors 10 years from now? A business without a moat is a castle without walls. Focus on long-term value, not trends. Buffett ignores market fads. As you've already learned, he doesn't chase crypto, penny stocks, or the latest investment craze. Instead, he looks for businesses that will be strong decades from now. His strategy is to buy solid companies with a competitive edge, strong leadership, and consistent earnings. The trends come and go, but valuable businesses stand the test of time. Buffett's success is built on playing the long game. If a company is strong today but lacks a future-proof strategy, he avoids it. He looks at the long-term economics of the business rather than short-term stock price movements. If you're serious about building wealth, focus on fundamentals, not fads. Look for investments that will stand the test of time and avoid the hype-driven roller coaster of speculative assets. Be patient. Buffett doesn't panic when markets drop, he buys more. His philosophy is simple. The stock market is designed to transfer money from the impatient to the patient. When everyone else is selling in fear, Buffett is buying at a discount. His ability to stay calm and wait for the right opportunity has made him billions. He once said, "Opportunities come infrequently. When it rains gold, put out the bucket, not the thimble." Too many investors get caught up in the short-term noise, jumping in and out of stocks, trying to time the market. Buffett does the opposite. He buys great businesses and holds on to them for decades. The takeaway is to invest with a long-term mindset. The biggest rewards come to those who have the patience to wait. Developing an ownership mindset. Buffett doesn't just buy stocks, he buys businesses. He treats every investment as if he were purchasing the entire company, not just a share of it. He once said, "I am a better investor because I am a businessman, and a better businessman because I am an investor." This mindset helps him make rational decisions and stay committed even when the market fluctuates. So don't just think like a trader, think like an owner. Before investing in anything, ask yourself, would I still want to own this business if the stock market closed for 10 years? If the answer is no, reconsider your investment. The power of frugality. Despite being worth billions, Buffett still lives in the same house he bought in 1958 for $31,500. He doesn't drive a Ferrari, he doesn't own a private jet, and he famously eats McDonald's for breakfast. He knows that wealth isn't about looking rich, it's about growing your money. Buffett once said, "If you buy things you do not need, soon you will have to sell things you need." Too many people sabotage their financial future by spending on unnecessary luxuries. Buffett proves that smart financial habits, not high income, build real wealth. Learning every day. Buffett is an information machine. He spends 80% of his day reading and thinking. Books, annual reports, financial statements, he devours them all. His reasoning? The more you learn, the more you earn. Knowledge compounds just like money, and Buffett believes that continuous learning is the key to making better decisions. Most people stop learning after school, but the wealthiest people keep growing their knowledge every single day. They study industries, market trends, and investment strategies to stay ahead. If you want to think like Buffett, start by dedicating at least 30 minutes a day to learning about investing, business, or economics. Read books, listen to expert interviews, and analyze real-world financial decisions. Build multiple income streams. Buffett never relied on a single paycheck. From a young age, he created various income streams, delivering newspapers, selling stocks, and buying businesses. He believes in diversifying income sources to reduce risk and increase financial security. Today, most of his wealth comes from businesses he owns, dividends from stocks, and smart investments. If you want true financial independence, start thinking beyond just your salary. Create multiple ways to make money, whether through investments, side businesses, or real estate. Surround yourself with the right people. Buffett believes that success is heavily influenced by the people around you. He surrounds himself with intelligent, ethical, and like-minded individuals. A prime example would be Charlie Munger, Warren's longtime partner, who sadly passed away recently. Buffett once said, "You will move in the direction of the people that you associate with." If you spend time with people who are ambitious, knowledgeable, and disciplined, you'll naturally absorb those traits. On the other hand, negative or unmotivated people can drag you down. The lesson is to choose your friends, mentors, and business partners wisely, because your financial future depends on it. Give back and stay humble. Despite being one of the richest men in the world, Buffett remains humble and committed to philanthropy. He has pledged to give away over 99% of his wealth, mostly through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation and the Giving Pledge. He believes wealth should be a tool for good, not just personal luxury. Buffett doesn't see money as a way to buy extravagance, but as a resource for impact. He once said, "If you're in the luckiest 1% of humanity, you owe it to the rest of humanity to think about the other 99%. But giving back isn't just about donating billions, it's about generosity in money, time, or knowledge. Buffett mentors young investors, shares insights freely, and values legacy over net worth. True financial success isn't just about accumulating wealth. It's about using it wisely, helping others, and staying grounded. Whether through charity, mentorship, or ethical decisions, generosity and humility always pay dividends. Master emotional control. Many people fail in investing because they let emotions drive their decisions. Buffett, however, stays rational. He never panics or chases hype, making decisions based on logic and long-term strategy. His rule is, be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. When markets soar, he stays cautious. When panic sets in, he buys quality stocks at a discount. The takeaway is to control your emotions, avoid fear-driven mistakes, and stick to a strategy. In the long run, discipline beats impulsive decisions. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. Warren Buffett is no stranger to making mistakes, but what sets him apart is how he handles failure. He views setbacks as opportunities for growth rather than reasons to give up. Buffett once said, "It's good to learn from your mistakes. It's better to learn from other people's mistakes." He encourages taking calculated risks and learning from every misstep, whether it's in investing or life. Instead of fearing failure, embrace it as part of the process. Buffett's approach is to analyze what went wrong, make adjustments, and use that knowledge to make better decisions moving forward. The key takeaway is to view failure not as a defeat, but as a stepping stone to success. Every mistake is a chance to learn, improve, and ultimately grow wealth. Protect your time like your money. Buffett values time more than anything, even money. Buffett is extremely selective about how he spends his time. He avoids unnecessary meetings, declines most invitations, and focuses only on high-value activities. While many chase endless opportunities, Buffett concentrates on the few that truly matter. His approach is to prioritize tasks that bring long-term value and eliminate distractions. He also follows the 5-hour rule, setting aside 1 hour of each workday for learning, thinking, and self-improvement. Time is the one resource you can't get back. Guard it carefully. Say no to time wasters, delegate low-value tasks, and focus on what truly moves you forward. Now, here's the harsh truth. Most people never get rich because they do the exact opposite of what Buffett does. They spend instead of invest. They chase trends instead of buying solid businesses. They rack up debt instead of compounding wealth. The result is that they stay trapped in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. But here's the good news. You don't need to be a billionaire to follow Buffett's rules. You just need to be consistent. While Buffett's success isn't about luck or genius, it's about discipline. The question is, will you apply these lessons to your life, or will you keep making the same mistakes? The choice is yours. Subscribe to the channel if you want to know more useful tips from the richest people of our planet, and in the comments I suggest you write your main goal. One single main goal. Think carefully and share this goal. One single main goal that you want to achieve. This is the Money Channel. You will get richer.